Ma'am, sir, I'm Sharona Faluran. I'm 34 years old. I am here raised with 2 children. I am a college graduate. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money.
Okay. Hello, Miss Farioran. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Have you worked abroad before?
Yes, I work in Singapore.
Okay. So how many members of the family that you serve?
4
How many children?
children,
How old the children when you begin to work there?
1-year-old and 4 years old.
And so do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me the way of baby caring?
I can take care of the baby by feeding them, taking a bed. I play with them.
Okay, so aside from that, what is your main duties?
I do the housework, washing of the clothes, ironing of clothes, and cleaning the house.
Okay, so can you sing a children's song?
Yes, I can.
Can you please try?
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Okay, so do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
I can cook well and Filipino foods.
Can you follow recipe books?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you describe your personal characters?
I am loyal, hardworking. I am trustworthy.
Okay, so how do you perform as a good domestic helper?
I can follow the rules and regulations of my employer.
And can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I can finish my contract. I can promise that.
Okay, thank you, Miss Falyoran.